Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can set up a drip campaign in the case of WhatsApp chatbot. So let's get started. Simply open your BotPenguin account and choose the WhatsApp bot where you want to set up the drip campaign. And once you open the WhatsApp chatbot, you will get this option of drips on the left hand side. Simply click on this option and you will get an option of create new drip campaign on the right hand side. Click on that option and here you have to configure few things. So let's start with a name. Let's say I'm choosing test 35 and next we have an option of enroll contacts. So I have few options here. All contacts, if I want to send the template to all the contacts, or if I want to send the templates to predefined group, that I can configure, or if I want to set a enrollment rule. For the appointment reminder, we do have a separate video. You can surely watch that and the link for the same will be in the description box below. You can check out that video. Right. So for example, I'm choosing enrollment basis. So enrollment basis, it will give me all the custom attribute that I have created. So let's say I have an custom attribute. For example, I'm choosing status. Okay. And the status is, and let's say I'm giving a value open. So all the contacts in my list who have the status open, only for those contacts, this drip will be set. And let's say I have one webinar coming in by 2 weeks. So I can set a drip campaign as a reminder that there is a webinar coming on this date based. I can set up a particular template for that, and that template will be sent to the customer. So instead of sending that message again and again, it will be a very challenging job for you. So you can set up a drip campaign in place of that. So let's say I choose one template over here and send after how many days I want to send this template. So let's say I'm choosing 8 days. 8 days. Okay. And in case if I want to add any other schedule also, template, again I can choose any template from here. And let's say I'm choosing this one only. And again I have to choose after how many days I want to send this message. So first will be sent after 8 days and second will be sent after 5 days, for example. So I will simply set up this configuration here, and based upon my configuration, this template will be sent to these customers automatically. Similarly, if I choose all contacts, so these things will be sent to all the contacts. If I use a particular group, so this template will be sent to the particular group only. Alright. And next we have to choose the exit rule. So exit rule I'm choosing upon completion of the schedule. Once this schedule has been finished, so it will be completed. This trip campaign will be completed. Alright. Next, last option is only just to save these changes. So I will simply click on create the drip campaign, and the drip campaign is added successfully. So this is how you set up a drip campaign in the case of WhatsApp chatbot. In case if you have any query for the same, please do reach us out at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video.